Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Today we're going to have a bit more festive fun. So I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a snowman or a snowwoman. So all that you're going to need is a pencil, an eraser, a thick black pen and your choice of colours. The only colour that you actually really need is an orange for the carrot for the nose. But anything else, it's your choice. Go ahead, be creative, and you can have felt tip pens, colouring pencils, crayons, anything that you desire. Okay, and if you enjoy drawing animals, don't forget to download my free PDF of how to draw a horse galloping, which you can find the link just here. Anyway, enjoy. Let's get started. Okay, our super easy snowman. Just start off with one circle. Nice big circle, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're going to do that overlapping, a slightly bigger circle underneath. It's going to be the body of the snowman. Try and make it as round as you can, but it doesn't have to be perfectly round because obviously they're not perfectly round anyway. And then we're just going to draw some snow on the ground. There we go. And then we're just going to stick a little hat on. So just going to do like a little flat hat like this. And one of those floppy hats just comes down like so. And now we're going to get started in pen. So starting off with the floppy hat, using your pen, just draw a curved line just round like that. Another curved line for the top of the hat. Let's give it a band. There we go. And then you're just going to do this floppy hat just coming out like this. Floppy hat like that. And then we're just going to draw a line coming down. And then we're going to do the scarf. So just draw a line coming out like that and a slight wiggly line coming around to the other side and then hitting that circle there. We're going to follow it round underneath. There we go. And then we're going to draw the ends of the scarf just blowing in the wind. So there's one. And then the other one underneath it. You can draw some tassels on it as well if you like. It's going to be a very windy day. I'm surprised he's still got his hat on. Okay, so we're going to do the other side of the head. We're going to bring the body all the way down. And the same on this side. Now I'm just coming a little bit further out here, just so that it's not a perfect circle. And I'm going to draw the snow on the ground. It's kind of taking shape now, isn't it? We're going to give it a nice big carrot for the nose. Just draw a pointy carrot like that. Do some lines on the top, some lines on the bottom. I'm going round. Okay. And an eye there, an eye poking out from behind. Leave a little gap for the reflection of the light, and then some coals. So these don't have to be perfectly round because they're just bits of coals like that. And we're going to have two more, oh no, sorry, about three more I think, for his buttons or her buttons. Don't know if it's a girl or a boy. Just bring it down. And now for the arms, you're going to have one stick poking out like that, another stick poking out like that. And now I'm going to rub out all of the pencil lines and we're going to start colouring in. So now for the fun part, we're just going to colour it in. So orange for the nose, for the carrot. Going to draw, have a red stripe, and then we can have some red lines on the scarf. As you can see, I'm curving in the lines so that on this side they curve inwards and on this side they curve the other way, but inwards as well. Then some curved lines going all the way along, just like so. And then just fill in the gaps. can use your imagination with this part. You can do a spotty scarf or any colours that you like. Be inventive. Doesn't have to look the same as mine. I'm just giving you some ideas of what you can do. Okay, and then let's give it a bit of green for the hat. I'm just going very lightly with this green. There we go. I'm doing a little bit of shading. Around there, just around the edges. I'm going the other way to make it look a little bit more 3D. If you want to make it look a little bit more 3D, the scarf as well, you can just do a little bit of shading in an orange over the yellow, just like this, and at the bottom here. And all the way along. And there you have your finished snowman. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, hit subscribe and like, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!